Question number one, what is an LLM and what can one do for me? A large language model is what we think of when we think of ChatGPT or DeepSeek or Claude or any of these different services that are out there now where you can ask a question and you can make prompts that will better answer questions for you into a computer system, and it'll spit out some sort of an answer for you. A large language model is in and of itself not smart. It lacks sort of human ambition, intuition, wisdom. But what it is a highly trained piece of software that will give you answers to things from within its own database. And it does this by, maybe you know this, maybe you don't, but I'll explain a little bit. When they're training these models, they put just boatloads, tons and tons of data into them, words and documents and information, sentences, paragraphs, full papers, all of these things. It absorbs that and it starts to learn word association. How close is this word to another word? And how often does that instance occur? And what does it all mean? And so it gets really good, not at actually understanding things. That's general artificial intelligence, or AGI, so artificial general intelligence. Yeah. Anyway, that's different. But what it is it's a human trained, machine learned thing where the large language model and the way they're trained and the multiple different versions of them that exist are better at understanding different parts of human language and word correlation. And so they are a lot of fun. You can sit and, you can go on ChatGPT public and ask it a bunch of questions, and it answers these things in a semi-reasonable kind of human tone. And you can ask it to help me build a business plan for business X that I'm creating. Go Nuts Donuts. And I want to sell donuts in a small shopping mall, and what kind of things would I put into a business plan, and can you lay that business plan, that outline out for me? And it does a pretty good job of that. It really does. But it also asks that same question twice, and it's going to give you two different versions. Start asking it other questions and it'll start hallucinating answers for you and stuff. So there are limitations, but the amount of computing power that it took to build that LLM and what that large language model can do is super impressive. So people are putting LLMs and AI to use to do important things for themselves, and we'll get into that later. So what is an LLM and what can it do for me? It can do a lot of things. It cannot fix all your problems. It will not replace your job in and of itself. It can augment your job. It can help you do your job, but you can't just let it write papers for you and not verify the information in them, and you have to edit. It still needs the human.